Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2015, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7347. Let's show you this virtual video walk-around as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition of this truck. We're going to show you the interior in just a second, but want to give you a nice view. This is the FX4 off-road package, of course. Does come equipped with a 5.0 liter V8 motor, 6-speed automatic transmission. So if you're looking at towing, you're going to have no problem whatsoever. This does have a backup camera, comes equipped with, of course, a bed liner, Bluetooth capable, a clean Carfax history report. Has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Look at the ample legroom in the rear. And we're going to make our way up into the front driver's seat. Take a look at it. Easy accessibility to all your controls within arm's length. Super clean, no rips, no tears, no stains. And this vehicle has just over 60,000 miles. For more information on this pickup or any others in our inventory, which is huge, call us, email us, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.